When it comes to upgrading your home, one of the most impactful yet straightforward changes is installing a new door. Whether you're replacing an old, worn-out door or simply giving your home a fresh look, preparing your home properly for door installation can make the process smoother and ensure a professional finish. In Auburn Hills, where both modern homes and charming older residences are common, proper preparation is essential. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get your home ready for the door installation process. Choose the right door for your home. Before the installation begins, take time to select the right door. There are various types of doors available, including exterior doors, interior doors, storm doors, and patio doors. Consider factors such as security, energy efficiency, and aesthetics. The climate in Auburn Hills can fluctuate throughout the year, so you may want to invest in an energy-efficient door that provides insulation. If you're unsure, consult a local expert who can guide you in making the best decision for your home. Clear the area around the door. Whether you're replacing an interior or exterior door, clearing the area around the existing door is a critical first step. Move any furniture, rugs, or other objects that could obstruct the installation team's access. This will not only give the installers more room to work but also protect your belongings from dust, debris, or accidental damage. For exterior doors, ensure that the walkway and porch are free of obstacles. This ensures that your installers can bring in the new door and tools easily and will help protect your landscaping. Remove old door and hardware. If you're replacing an old door, removing it beforehand can save time. Many homeowners prefer to handle this step themselves, while others leave it to the professionals. If you're handling it on your own, use a screwdriver to remove the hinges and knobs, and take care when lifting the door out of its frame. If you're unsure about how to proceed, it's a good idea to leave this to the installation team. For exterior doors, check if there's a storm door or any security features like a peephole, keypads, or cameras that need to be removed. The installation team will also appreciate you taking the time to prepare the door area ahead of time. Inspect the door frame. Before your new door arrives, it's important to check the condition of your door frame. Over time, frames can warp or shift, especially in climates like Auburn Hills where temperature changes can affect wood. If your door frame is damaged, your installers may need to make adjustments, which could delay the project. If you're unsure whether your door frame is in good condition, have a professional assess it before the installation begins. This way, you won't encounter any surprises when the new door is ready to be installed. Ensure proper weather protection. If you're installing an exterior door, ensure the area around your door is sealed to protect your home from the elements. For example, you may need to reapply weather stripping or check the door sill for proper sealing. Auburn Hills experiences a variety of weather, including snow in winter and humidity in summer. Proper sealing will help your door function well year-round, keeping out drafts, moisture, and pests. If you're replacing a front or patio door, consider a storm door or additional security measures to enhance weather protection and security. Prepare for the installation process. Door installation typically involves removing the old door, preparing the frame, and installing the new door, which can take a few hours depending on the type of door. It's a good idea to plan for the installation team to arrive at a time when the home is quiet and free of distractions. If you have pets or small children, consider making arrangements for them to be elsewhere, as the process may involve noise or movement that could be unsettling for them. Communicate with the installation team. The success of your door installation also depends on clear communication. If you have any specific requirements, such as the color or style of the door hardware, or if you're concerned about any particular aspect of the installation, let your installer know ahead of time. Likewise, if you have any questions or need guidance on care and maintenance after the installation, don't hesitate to ask. Final touches and inspection. Once your door is installed, take the time to inspect it thoroughly. Make sure it opens and closes smoothly, the hardware is secure, and the door is properly sealed. Most installation companies in Auburn Hills will offer a warranty or guarantee on their work, so it's worth asking about the details and keeping documentation handy. In conclusion, preparing your home for door installation in Auburn Hills involves several simple yet important steps that will ensure the job is done efficiently and effectively. From clearing the area to choosing the right door and preparing the frame, the time you invest in preparation will lead to a seamless and satisfying installation process. When done right, your new door will not only enhance the beauty of your home but also improve its energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal.